So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove Copilot from your Windows 11 or 10. So how to do this, let's get started. First open your start menu and then click on settings, then click on apps and then click on installed apps. After that search for Copilot and then here you'll see Copilot. Just click on these three dots until you see more options, then click on uninstall. This will uninstall Copilot from your PC. Just do this, just repeat this process for these both and then restart your PC, and then you'll see that Copilot has completely removed from your PC. So yeah, this is how you can do it guys. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.